Hello everyone. Welcome to our Sheffield at CITY Alumni platform. This is a tutorial which will show you how to set up your profile and register to the platform, where you can communicate with your fellow alumni. As you can see, you can log in via 3 channels: Facebook, LinkedIn, or via your personal email address. I am going to use LinkedIn in order to log in. Since I am joining for the first time, it will require me to give permission for my LinkedIn information to be processed into the faculty's network. This is the full profile information that is being pulled through. So, you will need to fill in your email and password, and click Allow Access. Now, I am at the verification process. As you can see, some of the information is already selected. Affiliation section. I am an alum, so I will select that option. Next, you will select your field of study, your degree, graduation year, and so on. Afterwards, you have to click on I agree with terms and conditions, and click Continue. Finally, as an alum, I am asked how am I willing to engage with the community. You can select or unselect the ones that you like. To finish with the registration, you click Get Started, and your profile will be created. And that's it. In less than 2 minutes we joined the platform.